When the NASA astronauts return from space, it's quite a complex process because, they've been in a situation of microgravity. And microgravity means a condition or a state of weightlessness. And due to this, their body actually need time to readjust to Earth's gravity. So I'm going to explain the re-entry process of the astronaut from space into Earth. And the first process is the undocking or separation. And at this point, this is where the spacecraft actually separates from the ISS, which is the International Space Station. And the International Space Station is just an artificial satellite that is habitable. It's in space, and this is actually where the astronauts and cosmonauts actually do their researches, and they live there for a long period of time, for extended period of time. So the second step is the re-entry, where the spacecraft actually enters the Earth atmosphere. It slows down using a heat shield or protect it from the intense heat and friction as it enters Earth. Third stage is the parachute deployment. So when the spacecraft reaches a safe altitude, the parachute is actually deployed so that it can land safely to the ground or either even in the water. And by landing, it could land in water, which is known as splashing down, or it can land on land, which is called landing. The astronauts are now extracted from the spacecraft and kept on stretchers as a precautionary measure because they're experiencing a different gravity effect, from a place of microgravity to Earth. So it feels like the weight is on them, a heavy weight is on them. So they are kept on stretchers and taken for medical checkups. So I hope this video was clear to your understanding, and let me know what you think in the comment section.